Hey, what's going on, everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the tail light from this Lexus IS model. If you're interested and want to know how to do so, stay tuned. All right, welcome back. So the goal is to show you how to remove this portion of the tail light from this Lexus IS model. Now this is a 2021 version, so we're going to go ahead and show you how to do so. Now on this side, I've already done so with the removal. So this is the outcome. And we're gonna go through the process of how to get to this right here from the start of the scratch. First thing first, we wanna go inside. Then we wanna go here to this panel here. You remove this panel carefully, and it has like clips behind it, but just move it carefully, and you'll find on the back side you have 3 10mm bolts, but you only need to remove 2. We'll be removing these 2 right here. This is connected to the bumper, so no need to remove that one. Once we remove this, we'll go to the back side so we can disconnect the electrical accessories. All the electrical wiring will need to be removed so you can detach this light from the panel. So what I'll be using is a 10mm socket to remove the 2 bolts here. Now we're at the inside of the trunk. So what I'll be doing next is removing this clip, this one, and this one. Now these 2 are similar, so we'll be removing those with the plastic trim tool remover. What you want to do is go inside. There's hooks inside to where you can go and prop up the clips. Once you prop that clip, you'll be able to release it. And the clips look like this. So what you'll do is take your trim tool removal, go underneath it, pull it up, then you'll be able to disconnect the clips. So we'll do the same thing for this one at the top. Now this one, what you'll have to do is untwist it. This is a 2-part component, so once I untwist the cover, it has another piece that unscrews from here, so it may come out, but if it doesn't, then this is what it looks like. But if it does come apart, then you'll have to connect it back together. And what I mean by come apart, such as this, the driver's side came apart. So what I would do is twist it back together to connect it back, and then it'll be set just like this. Remember to put your parts inside the trunk. You don't want to lose them. So now we'll take this panel, remove the weather strip, not all the way, just prop it up. Therefore you can get behind the panel. Now this here, you don't want to lose it, so go ahead and take it off. It's for your screw that connects to this. That's how you'll be able to tighten it back down. So go ahead and take this off, put it together, and we'll go behind the panel. Now it's time to remove the electrical. Now the electrical wiring is pretty much right here. This piece right here is your electrical wiring. You'll need to disconnect that. And what you would do is push down on this area here, and then you'll be able to pull it up. Now that we have our electrical wiring removed, what we'll do next is focus on taking the light out. Now with this light, you have 2 clips here, and then you have 1 here. Once we pop it out, we'll be able to slide the light out towards this way, the back. So take your time. can also use a plastic trim tool to get underneath to help you with your snaps. Now, once we have it detached, what we'll do is go ahead and bring everything through this hole. There's a hole here. You'll push the rubber grommet through, and then you'll bring the light out. Now your light is detached. Now the things you want to watch out for, as mentioned, you don't want to break this, or you don't want to break anything in this area as well. The purpose for sliding it back towards the back area, because these snaps right here, this is the reason why you want to slide it out. You don't want to pull up, you want to slide straight back towards you. This hook here hooks into the side right here. So when you attach it back, you would take the light and you would hook it into the side. Now that concludes the end of the video. Now, if you want to just change out your bulb, the only thing you'll need to do is go to the back side, twist this here, go inside, and your bulb is here. Now, if you're replacing your light with a new one, this is the way to go. To reattach everything, you would do everything that you removed in the opposite direction. Thank y'all for checking out this video. For my subscribers, I really appreciate y'all. And for those who haven't, please feel free to do so and hit that subscribe button down below. Thank y'all for watching.